You will most frequently encounter the TDB extension as a World of Warcraft database file or an Actian PSQL Table Definition file. This format functions as either a massive repository of in-game logic and item stats for private server emulators, or as a critical schema map for legacy enterprise databases. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's see if we are modding an RPG world or maintaining a corporate data structure. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful TDB troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. In the gaming community, specifically among developers using the Trinity Core or Azeroth Core engines, the TDB in Trinity database file is the primary delivery vehicle for world data, including NPC locations, quest text, and loot tables. In the business world, TDB files are used by ActionZen, formerly Pervasive PSQL, to store table definitions, acting as the structural DNA that tells the database engine how to read and organize the raw data stored in associated .btr files. World of Warcraft.tdb files are essentially SQL dumps or compressed binary archives that are imported into a MySQL or MariaDB instance to populate a game world's logic. Enterprise.tdb files follow a rigid metadata protocol. They don't contain the raw data itself, but rather the record length, index definitions, and data types for each field. This separation allows the database to maintain extreme speed and reliability in high transaction environments like accounting or medical record systems. The specialized program designed to handle TDB is SQLite by D. Richard Hipp. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows does not support viewing complex data models, so the information must be opened in a DBMS. To bypass the file reading error, right-click the TDB file and choose Open With. Prioritize SQLite if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file association. If your TDB file will not open, do not worry. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific TDB error occurs on most Windows systems. First, pinpointing the data source. To distinguish these, check the file size and surrounding folder. If the file is several hundred megabytes and found in a folder labeled Core, World, or Releases, it is a gaming database. If it is a smaller file, kilobytes to low megabytes, located in a directory with .btr or DDF files, it is an Action or Pervasive Table Definition. You can verify a gaming TDB by opening the first few lines in a text editor. If you see Insert into Creature Template, you have found a game modding file. Next, importing and querying. To use a gaming TDB, you must source or import it into a running MySQL server using a tool like HeidiSQL or Navicat. For enterprise files, you do not open the TDB directly. The Actian PSQL engine uses it automatically to interpret data. If you need to see the structure, you must use the Pervasive Control Center, PCC, to export the table definitions into a readable SQL script. Finally, fixing schema, mismatches and connection errors. If a game server fails to start with a table structure mismatch error, your TDB file is likely out of sync with your server's source code. You must update your database or rebase the SQL files to match the current core version. For database administrators, if a status 46 error occurs, access to the specified file is denied. The TDB file may have a read-only attribute set or be locked by a crashed process. Restarting the Action transactional service usually clears the lock and restores access. If the TDB compatibility attempts failed, the problem is usually that the extension name is being used by a program you don't have installed yet. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening these ambiguous file types. When a file absolutely must be opened, turn to File Magic. It provides an invaluable feature, accessing content instantly, regardless of the file's extension or header status. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Only get files from trusted sources. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.